10 Best Benefits of Tomato Juice for Skin, Hair and Health. There's more to eating tomatoes than good taste. They are proved to be good for your overall health. They are loaded with vitamins and minerals and are the best way to achieve flawless skin, healthy hair and a fit body. 1. Aids weight loss. Big benefit of tomato juice is that it aids in weight loss. It keeps the body hydrated, while the low sodium and high fiber content in it ensure that the body doesn't feel weak or hungry. It gives the body the required amount of nutrients and calories to ensure that the metabolic process in the body remains unaffected. 2. Tomato juice for skin. Tomato juice for skin has a lot of benefits. It helps in getting rid of tanning, counters discoloration of skin, helps in treating and preventing acne, shrinks open pores and regulates secretion of sebum in oily skin. 3. Tomato juice for hair. The vitamins and iron present in tomato juice help in preserving as well as adding shine to dull, damaged and lifeless hair. It also helps in getting rid of itchy scalp as well as dandruff. Just apply fresh tomato juice to your scalp and hair after you have washed it with shampoo and leave it in for 4 or 5 minutes just like you let a conditioner sit on your hair. Rinse with cold water thereafter. 4. Prevents high cholesterol. Drinking tomato juice can also help in the prevention of high cholesterol. It is rich in fiber which helps in breaking down LDL or bad cholesterol in the body. It also has niacin or vitamin B3 that is known for stabilizing cholesterol. 5. Vitamins and nutritional content. It provides almost 20% of the daily vitamin intake required per serving, which is necessary for maintaining good health. It is also known to have all the positive nutrients needed for proper functioning of the human body according to USDA. 6. Control heart rate. Being rich in potassium content, it gives about 237 milligrams of potassium which is useful for controlling heart rate and is helpful in preventing heart diseases and strokes. 7. Treat acne. Mash a tomato and spread its pulp evenly on your face. Keep it on your skin for 1 hour before rinsing off. Finish off with a good moisturizer. Your acne will lessen after regular use. Tomato has cooling properties to soothe the skin and astringent properties to absorb an excess oil from the face, which help in lessening the acne. So you can use tomato on skin for treating acne. 8. Remove blackheads. Cut a tomato in half and press into blackheads. Rinse off and follow with moisturizer. Rubbing tomato slices on blackheads is a top time tested home remedy for curing ugly blackheads of the face. 9. Make skin oil free. Take out the juice of a tomato and blend its juice with cucumber juice. Afterwards, dip a cotton ball in this solution and apply it on your face daily. This preparation controls the oiliness of your face and keep acne at bay. 10. Glowing skin. Mix honey with tomato juice until you get a thick paste. Apply this mixture and wash off after 15 minutes for smooth and glowing skin.